Namaskar and welcome back. Today we'll do some basic setup. I have set up a repo for this exercise. You can clone this repo. I'll give the link in the description. I am using VS Code. If you don't have VS Code, consider installing it. I'll give the link in the description. This is now the industry standard and used by most developers for developing JavaScript applications. I am using Node 20. Anything above Node 14 should be okay. Now that we have our bare bone repo, let's initialize npm init. So I'll just type npm init. Package name is fine, version, description, all these you can update. Test command, we will update it later. Author, I'll give my name. Now we have a package JSON setup. We will be writing our code using ECMAScript modules, ES module. So I'll just change the type here to modules. I like using Prettier to format my code. It automatically formats my code and I don't have to worry about the code formatting. If you guys have not tried Prettier, please consider using it. In this project, we will be using Prettier. To install Prettier, you can type npm install save -del Prettier. So basically, it installed Prettier version 3.3.3 in my repo. So the dev dependencies are the dependencies that will not be packaged when you are doing a production deploy. Once you have installed Prettier, you can create a .prettier rc file. Create the file and just initialize it with an empty object. Then we'll have to take care of some settings. Press Control comma or Command comma if you are in Mac. Then search for default formatter. From the drop down here, select ESBNB Prettier VS Code. Now search for format on save. Make sure this is enabled. Again, search for require config. Make sure this is enabled too. That's it. Our Prettier setup is done. We will be writing a lot of tests, so we need a testing tool. Underscore uses QInit, and we will leverage whatever underscore has written to write our test suite. So let's quickly set up our QUnit. We'll do a npm install save -del QUnit. Now QUnit is installed in our repo. Let's now create a basic function and test if the QUnit setup is working. For that, I'll create a src folder. This folder going forward will contain all our code. Inside this, I'll create an add function. Let's go to qunit.js.com. We'll copy this add function, create an index.js file. Just default export this add function. Once I hit save, Prettier automatically formatted my code. Let's create a test file. We'll go to the website again and copy the test. We'll paste it here. We'll have to import the add function from our index file. Now we will run the test command. I'll go to my package.json. I want to run the QInit inside src folder. What this basically does is it will check inside SRC any subfolder that contains a file with any name but has a test.js at the end. Let's run our Q test command. So I'll write npm run test. Right. So for some reason I have to write import art from index.js instead of only index. It is now working. So I have written only one test and this one has passed and no failures. Now that we have done our basic setup, let's commit this. I'll paste this commit ID in the description. You can directly check out to this commit ID and we will start from there. This is it for today, guys. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye.